Wood turning ebonite, a bowling ball material, is something that I have never done before. This is the first time, and I'm quite impressed. The blanks, which I bought from PSI Penn State Industries, already come rounded. I just drilled the hole and inserted the tube and mounted it to the lathe. And as normal pens, you can use CA or epoxy to insert the tubes. As for the tools, traditional tools or carbide will work fine. Well, it turns very easily, and it's definitely a different material than I'm used to, and it smells bad. Maybe a little like wet old canned dog food. And it seems to dull the tools quickly, so you'll have to sharpen often. I also noticed that it's a quiet material to turn. Here's a tip one of my subscribers, I don't remember his name, told me a few years ago, but I've been using it ever since and it works great. Use a soft bristle brush to remove all those wrapped around shavings. It's much more efficient turning this way without having to stop the lathe all the time. So far, it's came out great, and I really like the pattern. It's really neat. And it feels great on your fingers. It's very smooth and warm. As far as the finishing of ebonite goes, you finish it like any other acrylic material. I'm wet sanding and I'm going up to a high grit using some micro mesh and then move on to polishing. And I only needed one coat of polish. I felt like if there was any more, it would look too plastic. And for the hardware, I'm going to use a Gatsby pen kit from PSI, Penn State Industries. Now that I've turned ebonite for the first time, I definitely recommend turning it if you haven't. It was really fun to turn and it was quick. You could definitely pump out a lot of these pens if you wanted to. Well, ebonite is a hard rubber that's made through a process called vulcanizing, which sounds kind of like it came from Star Trek. Bowling balls used to be made out of ebonite a lot. Not so much anymore. They use different polymers, but hockey pucks, casters, musical instrument parts, and fountain pen bodies are also sometimes made from ebonite. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on turning ebonite. You should definitely give it a try. I recommend it, and I definitely would turn this material again. So until next time, stay safe in your shop at all times. If you haven't subscribed, please Please do stay safe in your shop. Take care, and thank you.